Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on Webull. First, download the Webull app and complete the account opening process. You'll need to provide some personal details for verification. Once your account is approved, link your bank account to Webull. This allows you to easily deposit funds. Aim to deposit at least $100 to start, though you can begin with less. Your initial deposit might take a few business days to fully settle. Now that your account is funded, let's find some stocks. Use the search bar at the top of the Webull app to look up specific companies by name or ticker symbol. You can also browse various watch lists and market sectors to discover new opportunities. Take some time to review the stock's chart, news, and financial data. This helps you make informed decisions about potential investments. Ready to buy? Once you've selected a stock, tap the Trade button. You'll then choose your order type. A market order buys shares immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the number of shares you want to buy. Always double-check all the details of your order before hitting the Buy button to ensure accuracy. After your order executes, you can monitor your new investment in your portfolio section. Webull provides tools to track performance and set price alerts, notifying you of significant movements. You might also consider using stop-loss orders to help manage potential downside risk. Remember to regularly review your investments and adjust your strategy as needed to align with your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.